In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Canva subscription. If you no longer need your current Canva plan, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can cancel it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Canva account, especially if you have more than one account or if your subscription is connected to a work or team profile. Start by going to Canva in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Canva keeps your account options and settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, look for the section called Billing or Payments and Plans. Depending on Canva's current layout or the type of account you have, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the area that manages your subscription and payment details. Once you open that section, find your active subscription. This is the plan you're currently being billed for. Take a moment to review it carefully so you're canceling the correct plan, especially if your account includes multiple services or team-related billing options. Next, click Cancel Plan. Canva may ask you to review your decision before moving forward. This is normal, and many subscription platforms do this to confirm that you really want to cancel. Continue through the prompts on the screen and confirm the cancellation when asked. As you complete the process, pay attention to any message Canva shows about when your access will end. In many cases, canceled subscriptions remain active until the end of the current billing period, so you may still be able to use premium features for the rest of the time you've already paid for. It's a good idea to read the final confirmation screen carefully so you understand exactly what will happen next. After confirming, make sure you see some kind of cancellation confirmation in your account. If available, check your billing page again to verify that the plan shows as canceled or scheduled to end. This extra check can help avoid future charges or uncertainty later on. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Canva subscription step by step. If you found this helpful, you can always revisit these same account settings in the future if you decide to manage your plan again.